Good day, everyone. So, today we will explore the role of teachers as leaders of education reforms. In modern education, teachers are no longer seen not only as classroom instructor. Now, our teacher is not only seen here in our topic as a classroom instructors alone, but they are also innovators, collaborators, and advocates for meaningful change in schools. As the people who interact most closely with learners and other stakeholders. Teachers have a powerful influence in improving teaching practices, enhancing students' outcomes, and shaping the future of education. So teachers plays a crucial role in the future because they are shaping for what is coming the future. And this presentation, okay, so a short introduction or introduction that this presentation will help us understand how teachers or teacher leadership supports educational improvement, and also what challenges teachers leaders may face and how school can empower teachers to become effectively agent of change. So next slide. The slide one is the teacher as a leader of educational reform. Okay. This slide or this cunning slide now, this the main topic or our main topic is understanding the teacher's role as a leader in educational reform. Then teacher today as a recognized not only for classroom teaching, but also for guiding change in school system. They help improving learning by applying new instructional approaches and also working closely with students, parents, colleagues, and community. So, inanakadako role si teacher, not only the instructor in school, but also pwede kuhaon sa barangay as a MC, what kanang judge for kaning barangayan nga mga event. So very functional kayang teacher in terms of work sa mga barangay. Okay? And why kaning teacher have their kanang a lot of role nagampanan sa teacher? Because they are direct experience with students needs and school realities. Now teachers are in the best position to implement reforms effectively. In short, teachers are key decision makers and leaders in improving education. Okay, did you get it, guys? Now let us proceed to the slide 2 or our learning objectives. So our learning objectives, we have here 4 learning objectives in our topic. This slide outlines our goals for the discussion. First is explain the meaning and importance teachers leadership in promoting quality education based on Powell et al. 2019, and analyze sa mga butang atong analyze how teacher leadership improves students achievement, school performance, and teacher commitment. And the third one is to identify challenges that teacher leaders face and understand how school can support their leadership, as noted by Keleon et al. 2016. And the last one, the last but not the least, is to recognize teacher as agent of reform, capable of influencing positive changes within their schools and communities. Alright, so after this lesson, or you were expected to, that we should clearly understand how teacher leadership functions and why it plays a vital role in improving education. Muna ang grabe ang pressure. The pressure when you are a teacher, the pressure is there. Not only because you're not only your family will looking kanang forward sa imuha, but also the community, what else kaning aside sa imong family no relatives kay mo gyud lagi na look forward, but also the community when they hear or when they kanang hear nga kanang you are successful na sa imong life, sa imong career, or nakahuman na kag eskwela, no, the barangay or the kanang nabito na mga pageant like mga singing contest, zumba, so you are tasked, no, kining to kuhaon jud kanila as a judge na nagid ang teacher maging MC and so on and so forth. Okay, then next slide is the importance of teachers in educational reforms. Now we are talking now the importance of teachers in educational reforms, no, kung paano yung teacher mahimong ano gid siya kaning helpful kay ba, no, kining importante kaayo ang teacher sa educational reform. Okay, so this slide, no, explains that teacher are kining central to successful reform as emphasized by Paulen et al. 2019. So teachers, no, interact directly with student, no, interact good in school, no. It is not new to us that when we are a teacher or in our field right now, no, we have this kind of interaction, no, directly with our students or with our classmates, so they understand learning needs and challenges. Next one is to apply new teaching strategies in real classroom settings, no. It is kining again not new to us, no, or kining it is common kanang kuan ba sa tong sa classroom settings that when the teaching is kanang applying the real world scenario, now it is kining more engaging and more interactive, right? Next, work with parents, peers, and community in forming strong support network. So no, grabe ang kanang kaimportante si teacher sa educational reforms because they're not only kanang working with students but also the teacher also work with parents, no, peers, and as what I've said in the community. And last one is provide first-hand insight, no? Because kaning quoted that the teacher is ano gyud siya, kining dapat gyud bida-bida gyud siya, bida-bida gyud, no, anang knows everything gyud, kanang feeling how gyud dapat as ang mga teacher kay, no, because the teachers will provide the first-hand insight into what works and what needs improvement in schools, no, because of this kanang closeness to learners and day-to-day school realities, I have learned, or I have kaning this kind of thinking or realization. I mean that teachers greatly influence, no, whether educational changes, no, actually lead to improvement. And reform succeed when teachers are empowered, right? Now, do you believe this, guys? Do you believe this? Kaning changes and succeed or success sa ano ba sa ilang mga plano sa educational reforms when teachers are empowered, no, trained and supported as leader, no. Mo agree ba mo ani, guys, nga kuan gid siya kining, no, kining reality gyud nga the more kaayo nga mag-improve gyud ang school or ang usa ka educational system if our teachers is empowered, no, and trained, no, well trained, and kining daghan og mga experiences in life, no, mo gyud ang pinaka the best kay daghan gid kayo ang mahitabuan sa school. And thank you for listening.